Hey everyone, welcome to Blossy Beauty Skills. On our today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you easy way to make body moisturizer without no stress. In here we have our e-wax, our emulsifying conditioner wax. We also have our beeswax. These are the waxes we are going to be working with today. The e-wax, the conditioning wax, which is also called cetyl alcohol, and our beeswax. These waxes must be in our moisturizer to actually make it a moisturizer. Without these waxes, you cannot have a good moisturizer. Here again, we also have our shea butter. This is our shea butter, raw diluted raw shea butter. Is going to be part of what will moisturize the skin. I'm making this for myself, and I decided to video it to show you that it is quite very easy, especially for a natural skin. You just have put these things together and your skin will be wow. You have a very good glowing skin with this recipe. It can be used by babies, by male, by female, by whoever want to just maintain your skin and just glow. And coming in is our citric acid. This is a binder, a thickener. It allows our moisturizer to be thick, so it binds the waxes, the oil, and also the water together. That is citric acid. Here is our cold pressed coconut oil. We all know what coconut oil does to the skin, so we are having everything natural put together to have our moisturizer lotion. And here we have our moisturizer. As simple as that. We went ahead to do double boiling. Once you put them together, put your double boiling, add your distilled water, let it moisturize. I want this video to be very short, that's why I cut off some part. Then your cream is ready, your lotion is ready. It's as simple as that. Here now you see, once you put all those things together, just put it on a double boiler. If you have been on my channel, you know what is called a double boiler. Moisturize your skin and be free from every cracking skin and so on and so forth. Once again, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so to subscribe. Thank you for always coming our way. And if you want us to do any video for you, please do not hesitate to follow us. The all the ingredient for this is written at the end of the video. Please always stay tuned, as we promises to always give you short educational videos that you can easily do at home. And once again, we say thank you. Please stay tuned and come again. God bless you. Thank you for watching.